Alright, Danny at Straightline Kia here, showing you this gorgeous 2017 Toyota Yaris with some nice 15-inch steely rims. This vehicle is ultra low miles with 28,000 kilometers, as well, one owner, never been smoked in. Very well maintained vehicle. In terms of vehicle, this is a very fuel efficient vehicle. You got a lot of nice cargo space here. And then as well, we got on the front, we got your power windows, power door locks, and of course some extra safety features such as the lane keep assist. Miles, as you can see, is 28,000 kilometers. Also have a nice 7-inch display here, and also we have this vehicle does have the emergency collision mitigation, which will save you from impact as well. Danny here at Straightline Kia. Thank you again.